Let's now take a look at Ghana's COVID-19 case count now, which is seeing an uptick in recent days. So as of July 9, 2021, 802 persons had died from COVID-19. 23 persons had been recorded to be in severe condition, with 11 patients in critical condition. Now, the active cases currently stand at 2,314. Meanwhile, some COVID patients reporting at the Greater Accra Regional Hospital are said to be exhibiting unusual symptoms. Head of the COVID Center there, Dr. Emmanuel Ahiable, explains more and more patients are reporting a wide range of symptoms, including stroke.
For the past 3 weeks or so, we've seen the increase. There's increase in numbers of positive cases on admissions at our ICU, intensive care unit. So the situation, I won't say is bad, but the numbers are going up. Yes. So currently we have, like you said, 8 patients in our COVID ICU out of 16 beds, and they range between severe to moderate cases. We were having 5 patients before these new cases were brought. So 3 more cases have been brought this afternoon. They were tested yesterday. The results came today. So when you add the 3 to the 5 who were already there, we are going to have 8 patients currently. Out of them, 2 of them are pregnant women who have tested positive. The holding area ward is now at this side, which has 8 beds. But currently the 8 beds are filled. That means we have 8 suspected cases who have been tested, are waiting their results. So we have 8 beds for holding, which is already filled. And the ICU has 60 beds, like I said earlier. Currently we have 8, so about half full. No. Yes, interestingly, those who have been admitted now, when they present to the emergency or the hospital, they don't look so sick, have the classical symptoms of coughing, difficulty breathing, sore throat, fever like we used to see first. This time they can come with any presentation, like a stroke or a pregnant woman who has come with fever, just like any person come to the hospital. So now the index of suspicion among the clinicians are going up. So when they realize that your symptoms are a little bit strange, because it's now not characteristics of the previous one, the fever, the sore throat, the cough. Some of them are not even coughing at all. So it makes this one a little bit difficult to detect. Like I said earlier, they may complain of maybe mild headache, my nose is congested and I can't smell, or they don't feel well, general unwell. But there's no coughing like before. There's no shortness of breath like before. So this time the symptoms are a little bit different from the previous one. So you may not detect it early. Yes.
For those who have been hospitalized, for instance, do you find out whether they've been vaccinated, or how many of them have been vaccinated, how many of them haven't taken the jabs yet, and what are the symptoms they're showing? Is the vaccination helping in any way?
Surprisingly, those who have been admitted here, and the 2 who passed, they have not been vaccinated. No, they have not vaccinated. And those who are here now, the 3 who are now coming, I haven't interviewed them, but the rest, the 5, majority of them have not been vaccinated.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow.
So it shows that those who are vaccinated will get the milder symptoms in case they get tested positive. So those who are here, majority of them have not been vaccinated yet.